Welcome in. This is Tech Talk with Masako. Every day of the week is a different certification curated for people breaking newly into IT, or if you're in IT and you're planning on taking a certification, we ask that you stop on by, ask the questions, and answer your questions. So today is Saturday. Saturday is AWS Cloud Practitioner Day. So if you're planning on taking the certifications, do answer the question, okay? This is Raymond. I'm Jennifer. Hi, Hamad. The shiny jacket is because he has all his AWS certifications from AWS. All right, a company is running a workload in an AWS cloud, which AWS best practice ensures the most cost-effective architecture for the workload. How are you? I feel like I haven't seen you forever, Hamad. Maybe like a week or so. Okay. Agawon is saying C because we have C, 1 C and 2 B's. Oh, 3 B's. Okay. What's the answer?
Yeah, the answer will be B.
B? Right
B.
sizing?
Yeah, right sizing.
Okay.
So yeah, I see someone said C. So C would save cost.
Hamad
right?
said the jacket looks good on you.
Thanks. C would indirectly save cost, but primary caching is for performance.
Okay.
Performance. Is that it? And C. Yeah.
Oh,
So yeah, so the answer will go.
That's a good question, Ade. Ade's asking, what is AWS to a layman? Like, what exactly is AWS?
It's a cloud service provider.
Okay, which is by who?
Amazon.
Okay, so it's an Amazon cloud service provider.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So the answer was B for this one if you're just coming in. This one seemed like it was the easy one. What was it? As it goes to the next question, if you're not following, follow. Every day of the week is a different certification. So today is AWS Cloud Practitioner. Tomorrow is going to be AZ 900. Monday, CompTIA A+, Tuesday, Network Plus, Wednesday, Linux Plus, Thursday, Security Plus, Friday, Cloud Plus. Okay. Till the domains are done. And whoever's taking the exam takes it and pass. All right.
That's a lot of lengthy.
It is quite lengthy.
Yeah.
When you, I would like to know when are we moving to the big boys exam?
Oh,
we can wait. I think we're gonna go to intermediate, then the big boys. All right.
Yeah, probably have to mix it.
Oh, mix it. Okay, so eventually.
Down the road.
Yeah, soon. How about soon? Probably like in a month or two. Which task are the customer's responsibility according to the AWS shared responsibility model? Choose two. So why is it important for people to do AWS? Because now that Ade mentioned that what is AWS to a layman, why is it important for people to take AWS?
I think it depends.
Okay. Why are you laughing?
So, I mean, AWS is a cloud provider, right? For those that don't know what cloud is, I mean, I think most people know, but for those that don't know what cloud is basically using someone else's resources. Right?
Oh, okay. Did you look into the ACI Learning?
Oh, yeah.
I think
he did. Yeah, he did. Was it yesterday?
Yeah, I went the day before. Wait. You know, after I leave, I don't remember nothing. I was just, I'm going to look at it while we're in class. Congratulations, OS. No. What do you call it? Udemy. Check Udemy. But congratulations. How was it? And when are you planning on getting the next certification? Okay, so this answer, people are saying B and C. TK is saying there's also no need to read the question aloud in the beginning. Oh, really? It's distracting? No, it's not.
I mean, is it really?
Stop it. A cloud. Hamad is saying cloud is like apartment buildings, and you rent the room with services. Oh yes, is what you can say. Also the mall example, right?
So instead of you buying your own house, right, you just renting someone's apartment, and then once you don't need it anymore, you just move out. Okay. That is a good yeah.
Okay, so we have B and C.
Okay, so yeah, the answer would be.
Okay, Joe is saying C is more logical. Joe, you're supposed to pick two.
So which one would be the less logical one?
B and C. Okay.
Yeah, so it's B and C, right? So it says client-side data encryption, right? And then IAM. So IAM credentials basically creating users, right, and groups, right? That's IAM. So that's responsibility of the customer, the customer, right? And anything that is on the client side, which is the customer's end, right?
Hey, Kay.
The customer is also responsible for it as well, right? So data encryption, right? Establish global infrastructure. That is a responsibility of AWS. Secure edge location. That's also AWS. Patch Amazon RDS data instance. So RDS is
Hi Donna.
Yes,
Holly,
serverless database. So you don't really have access to the underlying OS, right? So it wouldn't be an answer.
Got it. Welcome in. So this is Tech Talk with Sakwe. Every day of the week is a different certification. Hola. Curated for people breaking newly into IT. So today is Saturday on our end here. So Saturday is thank you, Hamad. Every day of the week. So Saturdays AWS Cloud Practitioner, Sundays AZ 900, Mondays Comte A Plus, Tuesdays Network Plus, Wednesday is Linux Plus. For Thursday Security Plus, Friday's Cloud Plus. Long story short, if you're not following, follow. Okay. So OS has just passed his Security Plus. He's saying that Dion's practice exam was the closest to exam. Oh, awesome.
Okay,
All right,
nice.
So Dion is the one on Udemy, right?
Yeah, I think most people say that too.
So why are you asking where we get the question from? If
is that the same person asking?
Yeah, if Dion got the answers. Questions on me. But okay, so a developer has been hired by a large company and needs AWS credentials, which are security best practice that should be followed. Choose two. Okay, A&E. Rules is relational database service. That was the RDS, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Choose two. Don't forget to choose two. 95. Okay, so A&E. I feel like since we're doing AWS, tomorrow is AZ 900. Same concept. Okay, A&E. The A&Es have it.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Somebody says C and A. Okay. We like it when it's not unanimous, you know. So I mean A for sure. Now the question is it C or E? Okay, what's the answer?
Yeah. So the person that says C, either it was intentionally choose the wrong one or
no, I don't think they intentionally meant it.
Okay, but I.
Come on, you go get it. Go get it. I'm sure you can. Okay, so what? Why isn't that C? What's the answer?
So the answer would be A and E.
A and E.
Right.
Okay, because a lot of people are saying A and C.
So A is saying that so A and this. Okay, A and C. So this and then that, right? Nothing on E. Okay, so here and here. Okay. So A is correct, right? Everybody agrees, right?
Yes.
Grant the developer access to only the resources needed to perform the job, right? And that is the principle of least privilege, right? So giving user access to access to the only the resources that they need, right? You wouldn't give administrative access to a call center analyst, right? Or call center rep, right?
Yeah.
You wouldn't give them admin access, right? You have to just give them the exact role that they need to perform their task, right? Okay. Principle of least privilege, A is correct. So now it's between C and what? E. So C is saying that add the developer to administrators group in AWS. This violates what? The first principle, right?
That violates the first principle.
Violates. The first principle, which is what? Give them the least access that they need. Okay. But this one, once you add them to the admin group, guess what? They have access to everything else. Okay. Right? Okay. So yeah.
So it wouldn't be C.
No, it wouldn't.
So that's why it wouldn't be C. I hope that makes sense to people that says C. Yeah. Johnny's saying C is definitely wrong. I didn't look at the administrating group. That's okay. And then Hamad is saying RBAC.
Role-based access control. Okay. Which one are we implying here?
I think you said something and then he said something in there. Yeah. Okay, so the answer is definitely A. We have the A correct for now, so we have A and E. Yeah. Okay. Least for okay. Cyberpunk. Can I skip my CompTIA Network Plus and do Security Plus as I'm heading towards cybersecurity? We had a whole discussion yesterday. Cyberpunk.
But I mean, it's highly recommended to take the Network Plus
and then Security.
Security.
Why is that?
I mean, remember, security is all about protecting IT systems, right? So, for me, let me paste the next question.
Okay, while he pastes, Cyberpunk, he's gonna answer you. I'm just going to he's going to give the questions for Hamad because Hamad gotta go, and then we'll get back to your question. I'll say I see your question. I just joined. Is AWS a good course? I'm gonna also pocket that. Oh, and then I think Joe said, "Are we giving away Golden Jacket?" No, but so the thing is, if you take all this AWS certifications, I think now they have one more. I think it was 13. I was 14.
I have to probably.
Okay, so after you take it all and you pass, then you reach out to AWS and then they'll give you a golden jacket. So I just graduated.
Giveaway. I mean, we can't do a giveaway.
No, I'm saying.
Okay.
I'm saying the reach out to AWS and then they give them a golden jacket. But so after this question, I'll go back to Cyberpunk and then I'll say, okay, can you code? I mean, do you have to code?
What do you mean, can you code?
Oh, was that relating to this question or to Raymond specifically, Johnny? Oh, the principles of networking is kind of important. He's answering the other person. Yeah. Oh, no, wait, I'm confused now.
Which one?
Okay, Johnny's asking, can you code?
Yeah. I mean, what's the relevance?
No, I guess it was him asking you, can you?
Okay. I mean, coding should be part of your toolkit as an IT professional. Right?
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, most people don't think it's not needed, but yeah, it's a good skills to have.
Okay, Hamad said an answer. All right, hold on. A user wants to allow applications running on a Amazon EC2 instance to make calls to other AWS services. The access granted must be secured. Which AWS service or feature should be used? Yes.
Yeah, at least scripted. John, yeah, you're right.
At least shell scripted. Okay. Is the answer C for Hamad? So
yeah, so the answer is C.
Okay.
IAM rule. So now with AWS, right? With every cloud provider, apart from the user, giving access to the user to access AWS resources also have you can also give resources permission to access other resources, right? So, example, EC2 instance, right? If you want EC2 instance to be able to push notification or send information to, let's say, S3 bucket, right? You need to set up that permission, right? By default, they wouldn't be able to communicate with each other, right? So you have to set permission for them to be able to communicate with other services, right? So IAM role is the services that have to set up for these resources to resources.
Right. Good night, Hamad.
All right.
It's your favorite color. We're going to work on getting you a golden jacket then. Good night. Thanks for joining in. Okay, so I'm working my questions back. Right. As you put the next question. Somebody said, how can they get... I want to know if you know any free AWS courses with certs. When you say free, I don't know if somebody was talking about pre-Scholar, but I don't know if they have AWS on there. So check out the website and see pre-Scholar, okay? And then let me go back to the Cyberpunk. I think it already been answered, but to Cyberpunk question, just in case if anybody else is wondering what the question was, he was asking if he wants to get head towards cybersecurity, should he skip Network Plus and do Security Plus? You never said Linux. Do you know Linux? Because apparently, we do Linux every Wednesday. It's a headache for me, but apparently all of that is needed. Yeah, but go ahead. What is?
Do you need? Yeah. I mean, you need networking, right? So the whole point of security is to protect IT systems, right? So, how can you protect something that you don't know, right? So, networking is needed. Linux is also needed. Most of the security tools out there runs on Linux, right? And also most of the enterprise systems out there also runs on Linux, right? A few runs on other OSs as well.
So the question is, so the route for him to get into cybersecurity, so he should do networking, Linux, then Security Plus, security, that order?
Yep, in that order.
Okay, right. All right. So Cyberpunk, if you're still there, that was it. Seth's question was, is AWS a good course?
I think it depends. Good is relative, right?
Okay.
I mean, and depends on
what you're trying to do.
Yeah, what you're trying to do and where you are in
your IT field.
In the world as well.
Oh, right? Okay.
He said AWS specifically, right? He didn't say cloud?
No.
Okay.
They said
So,
AWS specifically.
I mean, there's other cloud providers, right?
Oh,
I mean, remember.
why does it matter where you are? Hey, Saber.
Remember they said that Alibaba is the most.
Oh no, it was Ahmad. I think he was playing last time.
You sure? No.
He wasn't playing. He was
No,
in
I
the
don't
show.
think so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I think different countries have their
Okay.
the cloud service provider that they use over there, the most used.
So where
right?
you are is important.
It depends, right?
Just because the U.S. people are doing it, it wouldn't be,
Yeah.
You have to, hey, Shein, clearly I shop in Shein. To Pace, how many certs do you have to do to get the golden jacket? You have to get all of them up there. So you see the one that Raymond has up there?
I think they added one more.
They added one more, but I think it's 13 if anything. So take it and pass it. All right, as I get to the next question, if you're not following, follow. Every day of the week is a different certification. This is curated for people breaking newly into IT. Or if you're already in IT and you're planning on taking a certification, please stop on by, ask the questions, and answer the questions. There's no such thing as a dumb question, honestly. All I ask is that you're respectful to the people in the chat, because there's highly educated people in the chat as well. Range from people like me, I don't really know much about these things, to people who have 5, 10, 15, 25, 35 years experience in the chat. So ask your questions, okay? If Raymond doesn't get to it, they'll get to it. All right, as I read the next question, I'll get back to the chat. A company needs to track the activities in its AWS accounts and needs to know when an API call is made against its AWS resources. Which AWS tool or service can be used to meet these requirements? No, Johnny, talking is allowed. I just want to make sure I answered your question so I don't get lost in it. AWS Cloud. Okay, let me go back and see it. Okay, so we have A and we have C. So it's between A and C, it looks like.
Okay. All right. So the answer will be C, right?
C.
A is usually metrics and logs, right? Metrics, yeah, and logs, right? That is what Amazon CloudWatch, right? However, the CloudTrail is for API calls, right? Calls.
Oh.
So API calls looks or sounds a little confusing.
Amir, you shut off.
However, anytime you try to perform a task in AWS, it uses what? An API call, right? So now this involves what? The user, right? The user that made the call, or the system that makes the call, the time, the action, and all that, right? So, and then, so yeah, you can, it basically for auditing, right? Who created an S3 bucket, right? You see that information in AWS CloudTrail, right?
Okay.
But you wouldn't see that in the CloudWatch, right?
Oh,
CloudWatch is usually for...
Oh, they can't see what you're typing? Oh.
Oh, okay.
Oh, thank you for saying that.
Yeah, we have to... I don't know why
the thing froze. The screen froze. But why he fixed that? Thank you. Clearly, I'm not paying attention. Hold on. I'm trying to read Johnny's question. Okay, so no, it was statement. AWS Cloud Platform is one of the best platforms to learn. Most of the microservices have the same. Then, I'm sorry, I'm talking a lot. I'm on data science team and I'm a computer science graduate. Oh, congratulations. I realize that you IT people are very passionate about your stuff. So welcome in. Do you see it now? Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
All right.
So the CloudTrail deals with what API calls, right? So who tried to create an S3 bucket, right? At what time, right? Mm-hmm. The action, was it a delete? Was it modifying? Was it creation, right? So it's more like an audit trail. That's the keyword. Audit, right?
Audit trail, okay.
CloudTrail, audit trail. Right?
Okay.
And then the CloudWatch is more for metric and then logs, right? So the memory info, the CPU info, and all that, right? So that is for CloudWatch.
Got it.
Right? So the answer would be C.
Awesome. So the answer was C. I see just. Okay. Cyberpunk says, thanks for answering. I wasn't planning on skipping the Network Plus, just the exam. You're in South Africa. Oh, okay. But are you in school or is your employer? I don't know how it works, but would the employer cover it for you? Okay. Amir says metrics and logs wouldn't have API logs info though. Like, wouldn't it be the logs or no?
No, that wouldn't be the log.
Okay, so did you get the question?
For this answer?
Yeah, I believe so. He said so. Where's Amir? Metrics and log wouldn't have API log info though? Question mark. Like, wouldn't it be the logs or no?
No, I don't get the question though.
Amir, can you specify a little bit more? I should have read it earlier. Like, wouldn't API calls be logged?
On the CloudWatch? No, that wouldn't be in CloudWatch. It would be
Hey Jason.
the CloudTrail.
Sorry, we're just all in anticipation waiting for Amir. Stanley, DM him. If you're not following, follow, and then DM him your what you asked, okay? You need a refresher. I'm not Amir. Sorry. Johnny says, have you done any experiments with AI agents for log analysis? Any experiments, like not work related, but your personal things? Because he does a lot of personal stuff on his side for his own learning, and he doesn't consider it an experiment. He just calls it fun.
Yeah.
So
for log analysis specifically, no,
okay.
I haven't.
All right.
I haven't.
All right, so
Have you? And which agent are you using?
Amir saying, wouldn't API? Oh, okay. Oh, Amir, you didn't say nothing back, right? Okay. So wouldn't API calls be logged?
It should be in CloudTrail. It wouldn't be on CloudWatch.
Okay. So you can log I'm so confused myself. So you would log API calls on CloudTrail, not on CloudWatch.
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, I hope that makes sense. I was trying to make sense of it, but I don't even understand the question to make sense of it. Tapi says, if AWS CloudTrail is related to audit, what is the difference of what to AWS?
Yeah, AWS
You get it?
config.
Okay.
So AWS config basically keep track of your configurations, right? So if you set up security group, right? You set up let's say SSH access, right? And someone comes in and then remove that SSH rule, right? AWS config would keep track of those changes, and then it also has the ability to revert back as well, right? So that is AWS config. Yeah, so it's not for auditing specifically.
Okay, John, is this your LinkedIn? John, I was gonna say you follow him too, because now he can't press it on here. Can you? Oh, you can copy on the side. But okay, Johnny, Maurice, I'm gonna call you Maurice. School. Oh, congratulations to the Mark. Mark just passed. I have to see Mark. He passed GIAC certification today.
Which one is that? Because remember, GIAC is just the generic name. They have specific exams.
Oh, so which one did you pass, Mark? Congratulations, by the way. Either way, you passed, but congratulations. And what is next for you? As he goes to the next question, this is Tech Talk with Sakwe. Every day of the week with that's his, what do you call it? GitHub hand. Oh, the answer was C, by the way. Apologies if I didn't say. He said it C. Okay. Maurice sent his GitHub name.
Okay.
Every day of the week is a different certification curated for people breaking newly into IT. So today is AWS Cloud Practitioner. He's wearing the shiny jacket because he has all his AWS certifications and over 30 certifications as well, including his CSSP. Before you ask, is just an expensive hobby of his that he just, he gets the certification so he can back it up and teach. What else? Tomorrow is AZ 900. Mondays CompTIA A Plus. Tuesdays Network Plus. Wednesdays Linux Plus. Thursday Security Plus. Friday Cloud Plus. So if you're not following, follow. Okay. Saturday AWS Cloud Practitioner. No. I'm not sure how long this series is going to end before we move into intermediate. Oh, I'm glad you were able to join too. Cyberpunk. Next question, right? Oh, Johnny's telling you.
Yeah, I have the next question. Okay, cool.
Okay, a company wants the AWS service to provide product recommendation based on its customer data. Which AWS service will meet this requirement? Okay.
So it's the same thing as when you go on Amazon.com, right? And then they have recommendation of product. Okay. Right? Usually at the bottom, right? The product that you may like, right? Based on your purchasing and browsing history. Right? Okay. So that's what they're saying here. So they have a services that as a client, you can also use for your system or your website in a way.
All right, awesome, Johnny. I'll try to do the connection. I'm trying to get that because he's not looking at the long story short. I'll make sure he connect Maurice. All right, so any takers for this one? Amir said it's B. Oh, wait. He got a lot of experience with AI agents, machine learning. Oh, he lost himself some Python. There's a whole bunch of Python books around here. SQL, DLs. What is Algo?
Algo CD. Yeah, continuous deployment.
Is it like containers or no?
CI/CD. It's more like a CI/CD.
Okay, he's saying more things like I know what it is. But okay. Well, we have B, and we have any other takers for this one? Data structures and algorithms. Oh. Fancy. Okay. That sounds cool. All right, so we have B. I don't think anybody else is answering.
Yeah, so the answer would be B.
Oh, it's a B, okay.
Amazon personalized. Right?
Oh, Mayor, I'm glad you trusted your guts with this one.
For product recommendation. Right?
Okay.
So yeah, so that's the services that you can use.
Oh, he uses Terraform for ISC.
Infrastructure as a code. Cool.
Okay, Johnny.
All right. So next question.
Oh, today we're moving fast. Okay. Next question. Long story short, if you're not following, follow. Okay, that's all. Like all my talk is to tell you to follow. All right. Trey is saying they created a recommendation agent in AWS as a product.
They created an agent.
What is a recommendation agent?
It's I don't think it's an agent. It's a services. It's similar to using S3 as well as a storage, right? Or using EC2 instance as well as a virtual machine. Right? It's just a service that you have. So yeah.
Oh, thanks for the hearts, Assistant Professor. Apologies, I didn't see it earlier.
Yeah, plug and play in a way. Yes.
Okay. Trey. Not Trey. I'm sorry. Cyberpunk Security Plus is Thursdays, 8:30 Eastern time. So we're supposed to be 9, but I'm trying to be respectful of my time. So 8:30 Eastern time. Also, if you happen to want to watch it again, it's also on YouTube right behind me. Same name, okay? Because for some reason it's kind of weird to post the whole video on TikTok. Like, who's gonna watch a whole hour? But YouTube, you can leave it there. All right, a social company wants to protect its web application from common web exploits such as SQL injections and cross-site scripting, which AWS service will meet these requirements. Also, if you said a question before or said anything that I did not read, please bring it back, or nobody answered you, please bring it back. Apologies for not getting to it in time. All right, so we have B. I'm sharing the live. Also, if you know somebody that would like to take the certifications and is kind of scared to take it, send the live to them so they kind of see, what it is.
Okay, so the answer would be B, right? WAF is Web Application Firewall. So the question was.
Every time he says WAF, I feel like he's cursing. Honestly speaking.
So basically trying to protect what. Web application from common web exploits, right? Such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting, right? So web application firewall will be the services to use, right? So anytime you hear anything, and actually SQL injection and cross-site scripting, they're all part of the OWASP top 10, right? OWASP top 10, yeah. Right, so you use web application firewall for that. All right, let me go to.
Welcome in. Did I miss any question?
I don't think so.
No. Okay. Welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Every day of the week is a different certification. Curated for people breaking newly into IT, or if you're already in IT and plan on taking a certification. We ask that you stop on by, ask the questions, and answer the questions. You can tell that there's highly experienced people in the chat, so please don't let them bully you, because sometimes they know the answers. If you truly don't know the question or don't understand something, please do ask. because there's no such thing as a dumb question. The dumb question is the one you do not ask. Credit to CSSP, but I don't think he's here yet. So if you're not following, follow. Tomorrow 8:30 Eastern time would be AZ 900. Then Mondays CompTIA A plus, Tuesdays Network plus, Wednesdays Linux plus, Thursday Security plus, Friday Cloud plus, Saturday AWS Cloud Practitioner. All right, where are we? Stanley, you're so funny. I don't even know how to answer the question. You can ask, obviously, ask some questions in the DM is free, but time, he doesn't really charge. Against my time is money. Time is money, but, you know, he likes to give free knowledge, but depends what he has doing, right? But usually, see, all of this is free. Free. Anyway, a company wants an automated process to continuously scan its Amazon EC2 instance for software vulnerabilities, which AWS service will meet this requirement. But also, if your question was you wanted to learn, right? If you want to try Pre-Scholar, right? It's free apparently. Pre-Scholar is free, and then you could try Udemy too. There's other teachers there, but you would obviously have to pay them to teach you, right? Oh, is it free?
No, I mean.
Oh.
They have free stuff, but free stuff doesn't really entail that much. But
okay.
The cost is relative, right? So, some would charge less, some would charge more.
Okay. On Udemy, you're talking about?
Udemy, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So if you want to do that, you can also do that as well, right? All right. So we have B and we have B.
So the answer will be B, right?
Okay.
So, the services for scanning software vulnerabilities in AWS as well is the Amazon Inspector, right?
Mm-hmm.
That would be the services. Someone said, "Where do I get the?"
Where can you buy the leather jacket? You have to take all your AWS certifications, right? And then after you pass them all 14 or 13 of them, then you reach out to AWS and then you get your golden jacket. But you have to earn it, you know. The answer is B, by the way. Attitude.
That's B.
Welcome in. I'm not being rude. I'm just sharing the live. So my head is down because I'm just sharing the live. Welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Tomorrow's going to be AZ 900. Okay. All right. Hi, Miss Ford. Welcome in. How are you? Okay. A company wants to design a centralized storage system to manage the configuration, data, and password for its critical business application, which AWS services or a capability will meet these requirements most cost efficiently.
So anytime you see...
I'm glad, Miss Ford.
Anytime you see most cost effectively, especially in AWS certification, meaning the answer might be what? 2 or more.
Okay, so right? All the answers is right.
Not really, not all, but yeah, at least 2 of them would basically solve the same issue. However, which one is what cost effective, right? Okay. And this question actually comes in the certification a lot.
Oh, really?
Right?
Okay.
Yeah, so it's A or B. But that is true. A or B.
Who said that? Oh, attitude said
it's A and B, okay. But it should be A or
Lodi
B.
said if its database is secret, if it's cost effective, it's parameter. Also, Lodi. So Lodi's saying A, right? Am I assuming you're saying A? Matt is saying that hello. Oh, hi, Malaysia.
Hey.
Oh, Malaysia's asking if they want to be an AI engineer, what should they focus on?
Oh, that one, I mean, if someone in the chat...
Is anybody an AI engineer that can help Matt out? Are you a beginner? Are you starting from scratch? Okay, what's the answer?
The answer would be A.
A?
Yep. System manager parameter store, right? So both A and B basically does the same thing, right? Mm-hmm. So you can, it's more like, a vault, right? Password vault, right? Mm-hmm. Similar to LastPass, right? Mm-hmm. So whole secret and all that, right? So now, the differences between the A and then the B, right, is A is cost effective. However, B, you can add rotation, right? Whereas A, no rotation, right? So with the secret manager, you can set it up in such a way that the secret that will be rotated, or password that will be rotated every 6 months or every year, right? However, if you are using the system manager parameter store, you can perform that action, right? So you might see another question that says something about rotation, right? And then you still have these two answer options, right? Then the answer will be AWS for secret manager, right? So that is it. The A is cost effective. The B is what helps with rotation, right? So I hope that makes sense. I know most people said B.
I'll go with B. Okay, so Lordy says typically you're dealing with databases, and secrets would also be a secret manager.
Typically you're dealing with
databases, and secrets will also be secret manager.
I don't get the
You don't.
states.
Oh, typically. Okay. Haru says that I'll go with B if cost effectiveness for critical business. Okay, so B. So Lordy, I think so.
The answer is A, by the way.
Oh, the answer is A. Oh, sorry, the answer is A. So I think what Lordy is saying that if you're dealing with databases and secrets, it would always be, if you're dealing with databases and secrets, it would always be secret management manager.
No, you can use both services.
Typically. Oh, okay. Thank you, Lordy. I was trying to make sense of it.
Yeah, you can use both services. Okay. However, this gives you more of.
Hi, CSSP.
Yeah, the B will give you more of. I don't want it to.
Oh, especially for exam. Oh, okay. Are you good with A? Okay. Rotation requires. What is rotation?
So basically, your password, right?
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
So just in case, someone leaves the company or the secret,
somebody get fired,
whatever, right? So yeah, it allows you to, and that's one of the best practices, right?
Okay.
To rotate your password, right?
Oh, thank you. So you're not stopping into. You don't like AWS? I think you don't like AWS CSSP. I'm sorry.
Yeah. So for this specific question, A should be the answer, the most cost effective, right? Versus these two, right? So regardless of what you're trying to perform, A will be cost effective than B.
B. Okay. So you can use both.
Yeah, you can use both.
Got it. Okay. Welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Tomorrow 9 p.m. Eastern, 8:30 Eastern time will be AZ 900. Monday is Comte A Plus. Tuesday is Network Plus. Wednesday is Linux Plus. Thursday Security Plus. Friday Cloud Plus. Okay. If you're not following, follow. Are you taking questions? Oh yeah. Well, yeah. You can type your questions in, but not like pop in the yet. I don't feel fame. So if you want to type in your questions, of course, there's highly educated people in the chat, so they'll definitely answer you if Raymond doesn't get to it, right? Love your page. Just pass by to spot check myself. Oh, of course. Welcome in, Lordy. Well, I've seen you here before, right? I have. What do you do? Do you work with AWS as well? A company wants to block SQL injection attacks. Which AWS service or feature should the company use to meet this requirement? Oh, he's a lead cloud security engineer.
Okay.
Oh, awesome. Well, thank you for stopping by with your expertise. Oh, you failed security plus 3 years ago. Been unmotivated since I'm still young. Any motivation or something?
Exactly.
Oh.
I remember what I said, right? So what was
normal guy.
Was that your first certification?
Phil Fame? Was that your first? Why am I repeating yourself? Just having to sleep. It was that. Actually, I have IT fundamentals. Okay.
You have IT fundamentals. Okay. So are you? How is your? So what is IT fundamentals?
Extra, I see your question. Are you in high school? Phil Fame, are you in high school or you just started college? Hi, Kyle. How are you? Attitude. You need to circle by what motivation will keep you going. Who, Raymond? So
You need to search for.
he wants you to answer the question as to what motivates you. Oh, you're in college. Okay, you're a freshman. Okay, now that makes sense.
Oh, okay. Yeah, then you have time. Then
He's gonna say you have all this time.
But yeah, and security cyber security specifically is not really for beginners in a way.
I mean, everybody was a beginner at some point. What do you mean?
That is true, right? However, I keep saying that cybersecurity is all about protecting IT systems, right? So I recommend taking the time learning the fundamentals, right? Networking, Linux, right? Before you dive into Security Plus, right? However, if possible, take the A Plus, right?
Start from the beginning.
Start from the beginning.
Oh, and you in school, they cover.
I mean, it depends on the company. School.
Not anymore, right? That was what we talked about, Ms.
Not
Ford.
anymore. Okay.
Just in the sense of you have to know what you're talking about.
Exactly.
Yeah, you have to know what you're talking about.
So taking Security Plus or first certification, yeah. I mean, you could pass,
and
but
experience. Yeah, you want to be a security engineer or something, and you will. You definitely will. But I guess yesterday the whole discussion was you kind of have to build from somewhere, right? Especially with AI helping people with their resumes, et cetera, et cetera. You have to know what you're talking about, right? So, yeah. Oh, he said layer 7. Okay. Let me go back. Let me read the question. I come back. And also to his question, somebody wants to know what keeps you motivated. But we'll get back to that in a few. In a company, what is going on with Maya? A company wants to. Oh, I already read it. What's the answer?
The answer will be A. Right? A? Because remember, the keyword here is for SQL injection, right? And which is also one of the web attacks, right? So, and I think the previous 2 questions, we saw something similar to that. OWASP top 10, right?
Okay.
So, yeah. So, anything web-specific attacks is for web application firewall. I think someone mentioned what's the difference between the web application firewall and then the shield. Shield is specifically for distributed denial of service. So the denial of service attack, that's when you use for the shield, right?
As a DDoS.
That's it.
Oh, okay.
And then the web application firewall is for those OWASP top 10 and most common web attacks. Right?
Okay.
So SQL injection, cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, those type of attacks.
What a woman, welcome in. I'm in cyber management now. I'm not frontline. I wish I would have learned this. It's not too late.
Yeah.
Is it too late?
Never too late. Yeah.
I'm telling Raymond's gonna be the type of person. He's gonna be 90 and still in school. Mark my words. So see how he's laughing. Do you guys do anything for CCSP? Do we do a CCSP?
CCSP.
Which one is that?
Oh, I think it's part of the ISC square certification.
Oh, is it that one? Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have that certification?
No, I don't have it.
You plan on taking it?
It's not part of my list
It's
yet.
not part of his list.
Yeah.
Are you planning on taking anytime soon, Lordy? If not, and you can wait for him to get into it. Oh, ISO certification, is it?
Is ISO the CCSP? Is ISO?
Do you do this mentorship thing? So do you do mentorship for college students like me? You know, that's like his thing. Oh, you manage? Oh, excuse me. You manage expert now. Can you manage? How much? So now the experts, they make a lot. I just care about the money. Phil Frame, DM him, okay? DM him. That's like his goal in life is to mentor people, but I just don't know how that works. I finished 2. Oh, okay. Back to motivation. What motivates you?
I don't know. Self-motivation. I don't know. I mean, I don't know.
We'll bring the next question. You don't know what motivates you. Why are you looking at me to answer the question for you? And now people don't think that Anyway, what motivates him? So this is how I see it, right? You know how everybody has something that they like to do, right? Either you watch a movie, you do one of those things, right? Raymond doesn't like none of that. Like you know, like sports. Well, he likes sports. He'll watch it, but his thing is just straight learning. So whether there's a book, there's a video he's watching. So I think it's like more fun for him, right? So I guess I don't know.
I mean, I think
Yeah.
I think it boils down to, let me put the next question on.
Okay, I suppose the next question up. So I like it's very hard to answer that kind of question. With me, if you tell me about one of it, I tell you right now it's money. I'm not gonna lie to you. But I don't know what.
Hold on, I'm just.
I see brings the next question. If you're not following, follow. Tomorrow's 8:30 Eastern time is going to be AZ 900. Mondays come to A plus, Tuesdays Network plus, Wednesdays Linux plus, Thursday Security plus, Friday Cloud plus.
Okay.
But yeah, but with him, he's gonna be like, it's not about the money. You have to be passionate about what you do.
That's it.
And you gotta love it.
I mean,
Where the money resides.
It all starts somewhere, right? It all has to start somewhere. And I guess it started when I.
Oh, what was the last answer? Sorry. Sorry.
What was the question for the last time?
I don't remember the question.
Web application firewall.
Web application
SQL,
firewall.
yeah. That would be A, yeah.
The way ministry.
Was it A or okay, no.
It was
okay.
web application.
Yeah.
WAF.
WAF.
WAF. All right, go ahead.
Yeah, so I mean, it started when I came to the United States.
Wow, we're
right?
getting real deep.
I know, and wanted to. I mean, back home, I always wanted to get into IT. I started a few things here and there. I thought I was the expert back then, but I came. I started college. Realized that, oh wow, this is a whole different world, right? So I decided to get a broader knowledge of how the entire IT system or IT ecosystem works, right? So I started with certification and
attitude.
Yeah.
Oh, he is Ghanaian.
Yes, I am.
Faceless code. Can I give you his resume since we got some time? Let me give you his resume while we do the next question. So, he doesn't like to mention how he started working in Rainbow, the clothing store. Then he worked in Target. Then he worked in DSW. That's not IT related, but here's what I talk about it. Then he started with what do you call it? Optimum. Then moved up his rank from Optimum.
I mean, most people do know what Optimum is.
It's like a telecom communication, whatnot. Need his LinkedIn name. Oh, it's right here, right up on top. Yeah, same name, Raymond. Long story short, if not follow. So if you are in whatchamacallit, New York City, his project was the Omni, the tap and go. That was his project. So shout out to him. Anyway, which of the pricing model will interrupt running Amazon EC2 instance if capability becomes temporarily available? So he worked in voice services. Then he worked as a tech, installed Cablevision stuff. So hence why there's so much VLANs and what's that blue thing called again? The blue line thing right there. Ethernet cables and all those 9 yards. So long story short, he's been around for quite a while. And it's quite an expensive hobby he got. Okay, any takers for this? Okay, C. How long have you been studying before taking the exam for AWS?
There's so the cloud practitioner and the solution architect. So cloud practitioner, I think probably
Henry.
month or two. Right, that is when I was getting into AWS, right? So that was my first introduction. So yeah, it took me a few months.
A month?
Yeah, like 2.
And then the rest?
The solution architect probably took 3 months. I think that was the next certification after that. Yeah, it took me it took 3 months.
Okay, cool.
To study further.
All right, the answer, Miss Ford says A, and then Adisu says C. So what's the answer for this one?
Okay.
Oh, you're not reading the question?
Yeah, I'm reading. Which of the following model will interrupt a running service? Okay. So the answer would be C.
C.
Yeah.
Okay. Why?
Spot instance. So it's saying that which pricing model would interrupt a running Amazon EC2 instance if capacity becomes temporarily unavailable. Remember, spot instance is the instance that AWS can take away from you anytime, right? But it's very cost effective. It's and then effective, and I think it's 90% off. 90% off.
Okay.
Off. Right. So yeah, Spot Instance basically, once you go for that specific pricing model, you can use this EC2 instances and you get 90% off. However, if AWS needs more instances, right, they can take it away from you, right? So they can interrupt your service, right?
Okay. And why is it not A?
A is on demand. On demand, they don't interrupt your service.
Okay.
Right. But you pay the full 100% cost.
Okay. Ms. Ford would like to know, why would anybody do that for C? Why would anybody do C? Because
cost.
Really? Cost. But you said they could take it away from you anytime.
Yeah, they can take it away from you.
So again, why would anybody do that if they can take it away from you?
It's 90% off, right? However, so some of the operations, right? You don't really need a persistent a server, right? You don't need persistent server. So if let's say you want to set up a system that would just send an email or forward a notification, right? You don't need a system that is online 24/7, right? Because it will be what? It will be stateless, right? Okay. So it doesn't really need to remember what it's processing. Okay. Right? Its job is just to pass the information on. Okay. Right? So yeah, so if you are using these type of stateless applications, you can go in for the Spot instance. Okay. Right? All right, Henry. And if cost is also one of your concern. Right? Okay.
Ernest, I'll have him with Spun. It may not be today, probably tomorrow-ish. Okay. Ms. Ford, I hope that makes sense.
Yeah, I hope that makes sense.
I have a question though. Why is it that sometimes in the questions, Ms. Ford is saying, what, just use serverless?
Just use serverless. Okay, so the instances is for what? It's for VM, right? Virtual machine, right? So now maybe the user wants to use what? OS, want to have access to the underlying OS, right? So
EC2.
Yeah, EC2 is VM, virtual machine. Yeah, so EC2, which is virtual machine. Okay. So that is, let me just put it here, EC2. Right, it's similar, it's the same to virtual machine.
Lord is saying serverless would be Lambda function.
So, yeah, and I think most people have that a little confusing, but serverless is not really always Lambda, right? You can have other serverless services. You can have serverless database. Amazon Aurora is a serverless database, right? So it's not really Fargate is also, right? So it's not really Lambda specific, right? So yeah.
Okay. Gio the Dad says all business objectives are different. You can't just make everything serverless. So it also depends on the business as well.
Yes, right.
Okay. It's a lot to take into consideration.
No, it is. It is. Yeah, it is. And believe it or not, cost is one of the biggest drawbacks.
Yeah.
One of the biggest drawbacks.
Everybody's trying to save some money. I have a question for you. The LinkedIn name is the same thing right up top. I'm convinced you guys. Right? It took me a long time to make this banner, just so you guys can see it.
It's right there, right?
Ms. Ford hates this question, by the way.
Hates
this question. So the same name, right? So Raymond Suck right up top. But the LinkedIn.
Yeah, when it just typed it, it's a unique name. So
actually, it's not. It's somebody else with the last name.
That's true. Right?
Yeah, it's not as unique as you thought. I have a question. My question was, why is it that sometimes the question says AWS and then sometimes it says Amazon EC2 instance? Why not say just AWS EC2 instance? Does it do anything?
Not really.
Okay.
I mean, so some of the names, right? Some of the names. The service is called Amazon this, right? Okay. Some of the services is called AWS that, right?
Okay.
So.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Ms. Ford is going to connect. Her name is Mercy F. So
okay.
You see
all right.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's just the services name, right? Some services they call it for Amazon this. Some services they call AWS that. So.
Okay.
Yeah. I hope that makes sense.
Hopefully. Well, if you're not following, follow. Tomorrow, 8:30 Eastern Time is going to be AZ 900. Mondays come to A+. Hey, Olga. The answer was C. Welcome in. Is it? Oh, wait. Is it Olga? Or am I doing Olga? Brothalizing the situation. Englishizing the situation. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Let me know if it's Olga or Olga. So I know how to say it when you come in. Olga. Okay, Olga.
Olga.
As an Odogu. Okay, I see. Okay. All right. Welcome in. Tomorrow, 9 p.m., 8:30 Eastern Time is going to be AZ 900. Monday, A+, Tuesday, Network Plus, Wednesday, Linux Plus, Thursday, Security Plus, Friday is Cloud Plus, Saturday, AWS Cloud Practitioner. In your current role, do you... Oh, attitude. So I'm going to tell you something. Should I tell... when Raymond is on a job, he doesn't post where he's at. So I can tell you for sure he's no longer there. But he's at a job, he doesn't put it there until he leaves, and then he puts the next job. Yeah. So he's like 3 jobs behind.
It's personal reference, personal preference.
Yeah, so he's not there anymore, and he's like 2 jobs behind where he should be putting his on LinkedIn. Okay, so Ms. Ford is saying that, see why I didn't like the other question about VM. Amazon Services questions from yesterday. Oh,
okay.
Oh, you don't post your jobs either. Really, Ms. Ford? So what is that? I want to hear. Interesting.
Yeah.
Which characteristics of the AWS cloud helps users eliminate unutilized CPU capability? I feel like I should know this.
Capacity.
Oh, capacity.
Yeah, I used to confuse that. Capability,
and
capacity.
capacity. Which I feel like I should know this. Oh, B. Okay, majority same. Elasticity.
Yeah.
I was gonna say between. It can't be agility, but elasticity and durability was gonna be my.
Mr. Crunchy.
My scrunchy. Oh, all right. It's elasticity. It's B. Okay. All right. What's the answer?
Oh, so the answer would be B, right? Elasticity, right? And yeah, this word is usually foreign to most people, right? So elasticity basically means what? To be able to increase and decrease, right? Elastic, right? Increase and decrease, right? That is it. So in this question, right, the characteristics of AWS cloud that helps eliminate what? Utilize CPU, right? So if you have an EC2 instance, right, and you have I don't know, 4 heads of CPU, right? But then the resources that is running inside doesn't use all that CPU. Elasticity would decrease it to match what? To match the resources that you are using, right?
Stretch, expands, and the opposite. Okay, all right, free will. Welcome in. If you're not following, follow.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to.
All right, we try to be on for an hour.
Okay, so I think we have one more question.
Wait a minute. There's
day.
2 August. You're not the same person, right?
Okay.
Hey, August. August was here. Hi, August. I'm trying to create an on-prem for storage as a POC.
Proof of concept. I'm trying to create.
Miss Ford, yeah.
Yeah.
Where are you from, Miss Ford? Wait, August saying, what is, can you answer August? Wait.
Yeah, trying to create that.
Trying to create that on-prem.
Are you talking about elasticity? Is that it?
Oh, hey, kind of people.
Hey. Oh, really? Okay. How are you implementing that then?
Oh, that's on top.
Yeah. How are you implementing that?
Hey, Jay.
Automatically increase and decrease.
The algorithm is, slowly finding its way home.
All right, let's
look at people.
All right, so we have one more question here.
All right, so he brings the last question. Today he's trying something new, so hopefully.
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, let's try that. Yeah, let's try that. Why not?
Okay.
Let's try that.
Okay, he said, using HPA or Carpenter?
I'm talking Python and storage utilization. Ooh. I'm curious how you're implementing that.
Oh, I guess this is intriguing for him. It's very rare he gets impressed. Okay. It seems like he's impressed.
Yeah, that's the same thing I said to like.
Oh, it's not doable?
I mean, it is, but
it'll be easy.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'm not sure how that would. Probably just proof of skill, but it's just a proof of concept.
He's just trying to prove it.
Yeah,
okay. Yeah. What is it for? Is it why do you need to do that?
Yeah.
Is it for school, work?
Yeah.
That's creative.
It is. Yeah.
Is it for school or work or work?
Work.
Oh.
Okay.
I like twins.
And there's a, I don't know if it's a principle. What's the do? No.
What is it? Geodat says it seems like a lot more work than just moving to the cloud for those native tools. LOL.
Yeah. Just moving to the cloud. That's what I'm saying, right?
Welcome.
Yeah, reinventing. So if
don't reinvent
the system is there and it's working, why not use it, right? Like similar to authentication. Authentication is one of the complex implementation. So if there's an authentication system that you can use, like Amazon Cognito, right, which is for user management, right? So if you are creating an app, you can, instead of you building your own login system, you can use Amazon or Cognito, right? So don't rebuild it, just use what is good.
Is the organization stingy?
Yeah.
For having you do this?
Yeah, from scratch.
Yeah. Oh, somebody's saying something about Datadog. I lost it. Okay. Jay Bayou saying, I'm interested in learning more. My boss said I need to learn Datadog. And then Geodad says that if I'm not mistaken, Geodad is more Geodad. Wow. If I'm not mistaken, Datadog is more of a security/governance monitoring tool. And then Jay wants to know, is elasticity is load balance? Okay, they already answered. And they said absolutely not.
Not now.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just ability to increase and decrease, right? So remember with
Burma, hey, it was B.
Yeah, with the resources that we access online, right? Let's say Amazon.com, right? They don't have just one server. They have server farm, right? Groups of servers, right? So let's say 10 servers, right, at a given time. If it's a peak season like Cyber Monday, right, and the demand increases, right, the servers will automatically increase, and then when the demand goes down, it will come back to the default 10, right? Okay. So that is elasticity. I mean, it has something to do with load balancer, right? So if it increases, the load balancer has to also make sure that the request goes to the new service that was elastically added.
Wow. Ernest attitude is asking, does HPA ensure elasticity?
HPA. Which one's HPA?
That's HPA. Okay.
Which one's HPA?
Now, as we're going back, then Geodad says load balances is just direct traffic. Elasticity will be like auto
scaling. Yeah.
Okay, but you didn't answer Jay's question. So his manager saying that he needs to learn Datadog.
I'm not too familiar with Datadog.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm not sure if anyone in.
Okay, but Geodad answered him though. I just wanted to make sure. Yeah. If there was anything else to add, or if anybody had that same question. And then somebody answered you what HPA was. Where did I miss it? Electricity, horizontal auto scaling.
Horizontal, yeah.
So does that require elastic? Does HP horizontal auto scaling, does that require? Does it ensure elasticity?
Does it ensure
elasticity? You're not getting the question?
Yeah, I mean, auto scaling is scaling up and decreasing if need be, right?
Right.
And it ties back to elasticity.
But it's horizontal auto scaling. Does it require that?
I mean, it's the elasticity is not really. It's just a generic industry name. Okay. So that you don't have to implement elasticity to have a horizontal auto scaling, right? It's just a generic name. Okay, so horizontal
part auto scaling, does it ensure elasticity?
Does it ensure elasticity?
But I think
to increase up and down, yeah.
Okay, so it does. All right, and then FreeWheel, does elasticity have to do with Kubernetes?
In a way, because remember, Kubernetes is container orchestration, right? So you can also set up Kubernetes in such a way that it would increase when the demands goes up and decrease the container when the demands decreases. Yeah.
Okay.
So that is
Kubernetes offers that service.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Welcome in. If you're not following, follow. Tomorrow night, 8:30 Eastern time. It's going to be AZ 900 because we believe in multi-cloud around here. So, and then Monday is A+, Tuesday's Network Plus, Wednesday's Linux Plus, Thursday Security Plus, Friday Cloud Plus, Saturday AWS Cloud Practitioner, Sunday is AZ 900. long story short, this is curated for people breaking newly into IT or already in IT, and you are planning on taking a certification, or you just want to chit chat with us and polish up and sharpen your iron with the rest of your IT people in the chat. Please do stop on by, and if you're not following, do follow. Full video will be on YouTube right behind me. This is Raymond. I'm Jennifer. Reason for the shiny jacket is because he has all his AWS certifications, and this is the only place he's going to wear it because he's not taking it out. So if you're not following, follow. Is this the last question?
No, yeah, we're done. I'm not sure if we can try.
Oh, okay.
Kahoot.
Are you gonna try the Kahoots?
Yeah, let's.
Okay, so we wanted to try this new thing where Raymond believes in, what does he call it? Reinforcement learning, as he calls it. Sounds like punishment, but reinforcement learning. So basically, now all the questions that we did in today, we're just gonna bring it up and see if the ones that you got wrong, if you're able to get it right now after redoing.
I mean, not all. I think I just have.
Oh, about 10.
Nah, 5.
Oh, 5. Okay, 5 with the selected question, just for the fun purposes of it.
Yeah.
So he's going to put it up. Hopefully, it works. Some on-prem HCI would offer auto scaling like Nutronix. Nutronix?
Yeah, so
sounds like a blender. Don't mind me in my comments. Don't mind me in my comments. Okay, I'm gonna write this down though. Nutronix. Interesting. So some on-prem what is HCI again?
I don't remember the full acronym.
Is it the horizontal scaling?
No.
Oh, okay.
I think it's
now offer auto scaling like.
So is it the same thing you are using? Is it the same person that's using the Python, right?
No.
No?
Oh no, that is August. Yeah, that's August.
So is that the same thing that you are using, or you just building your own from scratch? If there's already services out there.
You just leave with your IT people and your acronyms. I just can't.
Oh, so okay, someone else is saying different HCI. So it's a little confusing.
Yeah, you'll have to type it out for me. As far as only a healthcare org is afraid of cloud. Oh, are you in healthcare, August? August on top. Okay. All right, we're going to try. Human computer interaction.
That would be the H.
No, finance. Oh, finance. Okay.
Oh, he's in finance. Okay, cool.
Yeah. I'm like, what is that? Okay, but do they see it?
No, hold on. Why didn't you ask for the scan? Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Why you hide
but you
the
can't
scan?
make it bigger like that.
I know.
Alright,
so where is it? I mean, I just have to post the link. What? I think it has a link.
Okay. You can expand the QR first. Okay, we'll share your screen first. Let's see.
Okay.
Right. Is it finance or fintech? Oh, converted. Oh, infrastructure. Such a mouthful. Oh, hyperconversion.
Alright, so let's.
If you're not following, follow. We're gonna try this out and see. Raymond likes Kahoots.
I don't like it. I think someone said.
Oh, somebody suggested it. Oh, bank sector. So it's just finance, not fintech. Wait, fintech.
Fine. Yeah.
Wait a minute. So you're in finance. You work in IT and finance?
Fintech is finance and
in tech combined. Yeah. So I'm trying to figure out if he works in the IT department of the banking sector.
Oh.
I think finance maybe something else. Oh, your IT in the bank sector. Okay, that makes sense. Thank you very much. Thank you. It's highly appreciated because IT and their jargons. Everybody assume we understand. The screen didn't change.
No, let me just try to bring it here first. This is YouTube.
Okay.
And then let's try adding it here. Hopefully that works.
Bank is finance. I think paper rank is fintech. Okay, and bank is finance. Okay, so bank. Okay, so so he works in the IT department in the bank.
Okay, so okay. It's not okay.
So, okay. Huh. Well, you seem like you have enough. Is there a reason why you want to stay there?
Stay where?
In the banking sector.
Why? I mean, probably pay more.
Do they? I don't see the bank paying a lot.
I mean, you never know.
I don't see the bank paying a lot.
A lot is relative, so.
True. Apologies.
Yeah.
In Ghana,
I did.
In Ghana, they'll be like, "When we away." Mama. But it's just that instance. But anyway.
To chat.
All right. Any tips on how to study for AWS certified security specialist?
Oh, security specialty. I mean, so with a security specialty, you should have some sort of security knowledge, right? and also have some sort of AWS knowledge as well, right? So I recommend at least taking the Solution Architect Associate certification before you
I think you may have done that already.
Oh no! Why is it gonna start? I don't understand why they only.
We only have one person.
Yeah. So why? I don't like why it automatically tries to start. Let me go back.
All right, Cahoots is messing up. Okay. So Burma says, is the bonus? Oh, Burma says investment banking pays a lot based on the role. Miss Ford, it's not Burma that is in there. It's Olga. Olga's the one. Oh, that's Burma. That's what you do. Hi Zoom. Yes. So this is AWS, but we do CompTIA A plus, Network plus, Linux plus, Security plus. Monday is CompTIA A plus, Tuesday is Network plus, Wednesday is Linux plus, Thursday Security plus, Friday is Cloud plus, right? So if you want to see how the CompTIA questions are set up, please do come on those days as well so you can see it. And if you're planning on taking any of those ones that I mentioned, when you stop on by, ask your questions and answer the questions as well. Okay. Investment. So if the investment banker pays a lot. So if you're an IT department of the investment bank too, they pay a lot.
Probably.
Interesting. Growing up, you always thought that the bankers should be the people paying a lot. But all right, we only have one person so far.
Okay.
If there's only one person, I might as well call it a night.
Yeah, I mean, we can just leave that one person to play. That works too.
That works. All right.
So let's just wait.
We're about to start. 5 seconds.
Yeah, 5 seconds.
If you want to play, do log in.
It's just 5 questions.
It's just 5 questions, just to reinforcement learning.
Fidelity.
Oh, you are using your phones.
I know,
I know. Duh.
I know. But I pasted
Kevin.
the link as well. So, I mean, yeah, you can still click on the link.
But then
which
they won't
means,
see us.
Yeah.
And then it'll be very hard for them.
I know.
We didn't think this through.
I know.
All right, we'll just play with the 2 people on there.
Yeah.
And we'll figure out another way to make it work better.
Yeah.
You can't grab it?
Grab the link?
It wouldn't be... Yeah, it would take us out of here. Yeah. We clearly didn't think this through.
We'll find a different way now then.
I will figure out. Yeah, no, you're right. Right. We didn't think this through. We'll figure out another way to do it.
Yeah,
Thanks, Miss Ford.
Yeah.
Oh, we have to. All right, play it with the people, the 3.
All right, that's good.
Ooh.
Okay, it's why is it not showing?
Oh, okay. So, She's Divine says you can do both. See TikTok on the Kahoot and then minimize the TikTok live.
Yeah.
It seems a little complicated though. We have to figure out a better way to make it scale. But okay, do you see the questions? No, they don't see the questions.
No. It's still showing on their end, but then
it's not
showing here. I know. Let me try to stop and reshare again.
No, it's okay. Let's do it next time.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Thank you for joining, though. The people that joined. We're going to have to figure out a better way to make it work.
No, hold on. I think the idea is still answering. But
you're answering? That's okay, disregard. Answer the question.
Yeah. Okay.
My influence in life. I'm still trying to be influenced. Okay. So, okay, August. Okay.
August on top. Okay, you're on top, by the way.
But they can't see.
Yeah, let me reshare. I don't know, reshare. The next question will come in a few.
No, I think it's TikTok doing it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh, that was a guess? Oh, gosh, that was a guess. Yeah, I do think it's TikTok doing it. Yeah, thank you for following. If you're not following, follow tomorrow 9 p.m. 8:30 Eastern time. It's going to be... It's going to be... What's going to be? AZ 900. Is that what you share?
Yeah, hold on. Let me minimize this and see. Okay, perfect.
All right. Now we're back. Okay.
So I'm going to the next question here.
Woo! You want to paste the link in the chat again, just in case people are coming in if they want to do that?
I think we already passed that.
Oh, we did.
Join.
Okay. Oh, so they can't join anymore?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah, we'll find a better
Yeah,
solution.
definitely. We'll find a better way to make this work. Just for the reinforcement learning, at least that.
Okay. Alright.
Okay, Zoom user. Alright. Oh, you gonna explain?
No, it's the
Why
same.
pe-
It's the same question that
Yes,
we.
but some people may have come in
Oh,
late
okay,
and then
okay.
they're not answering. See, so they're answering here.
Okay. Okay.
Was it which AWS? Oh, I don't need to read it.
Yeah, you don't.
Yeah, it
I
was.
think you'll be disturbing them too.
TK, you still there? Nothing after I said TK, y'all about to be left.
Okay. So I think the other one will be okay.
Which one?
The other one that. Alright.
I think it'll be better.
We'll
Okay,
try
so we
that
have
tomorrow.
Cloud Chat. Oh, tomorrow? Okay, we're gonna try a new game tomorrow.
Okay. So.
Oh.
Okay. What happened?
You have a restriction because you're playing Cahoots.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me stop then.
Yeah. TikTok doesn't like it when you play other games.
Okay.
Let's
Let's finish up. It's fine.
Alright,
Let's
you have
finish
that. Okay.
Yeah, I have to stop it. Okay, so hopefully,
TikTok is banning us from playing Cahoots.
yeah. Let me just remove the delete. Alright, and then delete this here. Oh, it came here. Oh no, it came on.
Isn't this one? Why? Right? TikTok, like, I don't understand. Like, why?
Alright. I mean, the question is still there, though. Okay.
Either way. Now we have to figure out a way to do it our way. I know. I don't know what's with TikTok. But what's the answer? This was B. Yes, I am Sam Jean. The answer was B. That was the last question for the night, though. If you're not following, follow.
Alright, so
Tomorrow.
I think we have one more.
Yeah, TikTok. Oh, we have one more question?
Yeah, one more. So, Louis, okay.
Okay. Tomorrow, TikTok doesn't like other platforms. Yeah, you know, they it's like me or nothing. They don't like to share.
Okay.
But
Which one?
this one.
This one?
Yeah. Now they asking us how to appeal.
You sure this one?
Okay, maybe that one.
Doesn't
They should
continue?
allow the contact.
I mean,
Okay, fine.
I going to dictate to
yeah,
them.
fine. Okay, so I'm gonna.
Okay.
Alright. Not the other one. Are you back, CSSP?
Alright, so I have the last question. So I think
The Cahoots people is to go?
yeah, it's
Alright,
still
last one.
Alright, so that's the last one. Okay, done.
Thanks, Mr. Ford. Alright, oh, who won? Oh, they do a little podium. We have to figure out a way to play it. Do it so that TikTok doesn't flag it.
Yeah. So I'll go on top is the TED. We have Zoom, and then we have. What?
H.
H.
I don't know who
Who's
H is. I have no idea. Whoever H is, you won. And then we have Louis, and then we have SM. Thank you, guys.
Right.
Tomorrow is AZ900, so if you're not following, you are? You're H?
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. See,
I'm H. I'm H.
a little bit of guesswork, no problem. But if you can guess like this, if you're planning on taking it, you can guess like this, go for it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm glad. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Oh,
Good night, CSSP.